In this video, you're going to learn how to add or delete any image galleries within any web page. Scrolling down, you will see that we have started creating an image gallery to add to this page, which we covered briefly in a previous tutorial. Now, we showed you how to add this section to any page, but what we want to get into now is how to add multiple images if we wanted more than what appears here, or if we wanted to delete specific images. We will briefly go over how to add photos. So as you can see, when you do import an image gallery, you will need to add your own photos as we have in the left example. And we can do that by hovering over whatever image placeholder you see, coming up to the image styling icon, clicking on that icon, and then scrolling down on the right menu bar that appears, looking for the blank image placeholder under media options and just simply clicking on that. You will see a media library pop open. If you have already added photos that you wish to put in this placeholder, you can, but we're going to go ahead and show you how to add a new image from your computer. We want to click on new image, and as we've shared, we are creating a work with us image gallery section to show off some of the different services that our luxury rental company offers. We've already imported a photo of the yacht charter, and we're going to want to now add a photo of luxury car rentals. All right, so I'm going to add a name to this image, luxury car rentals, for SEO purposes, and then I'm going to go ahead and click choose file to open a desktop window where I can select a new image. I'm going to go ahead and select my image and click open. So after uploading the image, you will get a preview of that image, and you can then go ahead and click preview to add it to your website. Now you will see that image added to our website, and we can go down and now customize the text. So if you would like to change the words that appear here under the image, simply hover over that text and come up to the text icon. You will see the option to style and change that text. After clicking on that, you will see the option to change this text. So we can go ahead and highlight this, say luxury car rentals. Click here to get yours now. You can customize this image gallery however you'd like. Now I'm going to go ahead and click save. Always remember to click save. Now you can click save if you'd like to create those changes. So now that we've showed you how to add an image, and if you would like, customize the subtext and text, we're going to show you how to add or delete certain images. So hovering over this third image within our image gallery, you can simply choose to delete this entire section, the image along with the text, just by clicking delete image from photo gallery. You will get a confirmation that you want to delete this item since it is a permanent change. Go ahead and click OK. And now you will see that you're only left with these two images. Now, if you wish to add multiple images, you can add more than 3. You can add 4, 5, 6, 7 to your image gallery. We're going to want to hover over this image, come up to the add image or plus icon, and we want to click that to add an image. As you can see, we've now created a copy of this image. Just to show you guys an example, we can also continue clicking this button to create more images within our gallery. All right, just to show you guys, we have clicked that image a couple more times, and you can see that it will continue adding new rows and images to our gallery. Now, for more in-depth tutorials on how to create more space between these images, how to add borders, how to customize and edit the contrast or add effects to the images, you can click on this image styling icon, have a look at this panel and play around with some of the settings, but we do cover this in depth in other tutorials on stylizing images. But I hope that was helpful. We covered how to add new images, how to delete images from your image gallery, as well as how to change the image photo, as well as change the image text. So now you can get creative with adding as many photos to different galleries as you would like and adding them to any page that you would like on your website.